Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to make simple egg fried rice. For this recipe you will need rice, eggs, ginger, garlic, dark thick soy sauce, green chilli sauce, red chilli sauce, white vinegar, salt, black pepper powder, assorted vegetables, every person, every mother has their own style of making egg fried rice, and this is my mother's recipe for making it. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I enjoyed eating it growing up. So we will add some oil to our wok. Once the oil warms up, we will add the eggs. I'm using 4 eggs. You can use as many eggs you want. Now to this we will add a pinch of salt, not much. And now we'll start scrambling it. Now these are done, we'll take them out. Now to the same pan we'll add little more oil. For the Chinese cooking, keep the temperature to the high. Now the first thing we will add is the minced garlic, ginger and chili. Chili is totally optional. I like it spicy, so that's why chili goes in here. Saute it a little bit. Now first thing I will add is the green onion. So the onion goes in. You don't want to overcook anything in this, so next we'll add all other assorted vegetables. You can use any vegetable that is available in your house or the vegetables that you like, no particular vegetable. We don't want to overcook any of these vegetables, so we just going to stir it real fast. Now to this we'll add soy sauce. This is dark thick soy sauce. You can skip any ingredient in this recipe, but just make sure that you add the dark thick soy sauce. Then I'm going to add the green chili sauce. This is again totally optional. In my family we like everything spicy, that's why I'm adding it, but you can always skip it. Again, this is a red chili sauce, you can skip it. Let the vegetables cook with the sauces real nice. Now to this I'm going to add the pepper powder. Now we'll add some salt. Now go easy with the salt because the soy sauce already has salt, and I also added salt when I was cooking the rice, and we added to the egg too. So go easy with the salt. Fried rice were invented to reuse the leftover rice. So when you're making this recipe, try to use the leftover rice. And if you don't have a leftover rice and you're going to make it fresh, make sure after cooking the rice, you put it in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours. The reason behind this is, if you put the hot steamy rice in the wok to stir fry it, the grains will break. And instead of getting a nice fried rice, you're going to end up with the soft porridge. So to avoid the porridge situation, use the cold rice, okay? Now time to add our rice. It's that easy. The fried rice takes only like 2 to 3 minutes. This is how my mother made the fried rice when I was a kid. I think egg fried rice is a complete meal because it has a fiber from the vegetables, it has the carb from the rice, and then it also has a protein from eggs. So now we add our eggs. Throughout the time, keep the temperature to the high. All the ingredients and their quantities, you saw it in the beginning of the video, and you will also find them in the description box below. You can skip any ingredient from it, or you can add on extra ingredient. Just make it yours. You can add seafood, poultry, or any meat of your choice into this rice and create your own recipe. I forgot to add the vinegar earlier, so if you don't forget, make sure you add the vinegar when we added all our sauces in the beginning. That's when you will add the vinegar too. But if you forget, you can always add it at the end like I did. Before you turn off the heat, taste the seasoning, adjust it according to your taste, okay? Now to this we'll add the spring onions, and then I'm going to leave some for the presentation. To make this recipe vegan or vegetarian, just skip the egg and you have a veg fried rice. Our fried rice is ready just in 5 minutes. The only time consuming thing is cutting the vegetables. After that, it's like 5 to 6 minutes job. This recipe is perfect for lunchbox. It doesn't take long to make it and it tastes delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.